Let's practice some profit leverage effect calculations. To do this, let's borrow some numbers from the following income statement. Let's give you a moment to look over the numbers. Before taking a deeper dive, let's simply ask, how large is logistics profit leverage effect? The math is simple. You take the dollars saved by logistics and divide it by your profit margin. How do you get your profit margin? You simply divide your operating profit of $1,189,000,000 by your sales of $9,910,000,000. You get 12%. Now that you know your profit margin, simply take its reciprocal, or 1 divided by 0.12. You get a profit leverage effect of 8.33. So every dollar saved by logistics delivers a bottom line impact equivalent of $8.33 of additional sales. That's a lot of leverage. Now let's imagine that top management challenges you to reduce logistics costs. After evaluating current practice and benchmarking industry trends, you believe that a third-party logistics provider can help you reduce your total inventory costs. Based on your calculations, you think you will reduce inventory carrying costs by 20% from $288 million to $230.4 million. That is a savings of $49.6 million. What is the equivalent sales increase your colleagues need to generate to have the same profit impact? To find out, simply multiply your logistics cost savings of $49.6 million by your profit leverage effect of 8.33. You discover that marketing needs to increase sales by $413.2 million. Now let's summarize 2 key points. First, you need to be careful to discuss the profit leverage effect as the equivalent impact versus the same as. Reducing costs is not the same as selling more product. Selling more helps you gain market share, visibility, and growth. Of course, when you reduce costs, you make it easier to sell more. Second, always remember that every dollar saved by astute logistics practice goes straight to the bottom line. By contrast, only 12 cents of every additional sales dollar makes it to the bottom line. The rest is eaten up by the cost of doing business. What does this mean? Great logistics practice can make a real competitive difference.